Hi everyone, I would like to discuss the 3 EVO Base Gels, the EVO Oxygenating Base, the EVO Flex, as well as the EVO Contour, and also look at the similarities and the differences. Now, the EVO Oxygenating Base is a base and builder gel because it can be used to strengthen and build an upper arch to support longer nails, and it cures within 30 seconds. It can be used to apply foam sculptures and silk sculptures. Now, the secret about EVO Oxygenating Base is that it wasn't only the first, but it has proved to be the best choice product to use when applying glueless tips. And EVO Oxygenating is also a very healthy product. It is expected of all base gels to protect the natural nail, and when applied to a healthy nail, to keep that nail healthy. But the EVO Oxygenating formulation is a medical grade formulation, and it has added vitamin E and vitamin A, which we know enhances natural nail health. Plus, it also allows permeation of air and moisture vapor, which is why it is called Oxygenating Base. Now, true to the name and description of this product, EVO Flex is an extremely flexible product. If you had to compare the flexibility with that of EVO Oxygenating Base that has some bounce to it, you will notice that the cured strip of EVO Flex can be rolled almost like a rubber ball, and it is this gentle property that makes it such a fabulous product and so successful on thin and soft and weak nails. Soft nails tend to curve away from a very firm coverage, but due to the pliability of Flex, it will really adhere so nicely, and it will move and flex and bend together with a very soft nail. Of course, you can build it up and give it that extra firmness to give stability to the soft nail, but it will hold, it will really stay for weeks and weeks. And you will notice that when you remove Flex from a very soft or thin nail, that nail will be in a much better condition after removal. It is almost as though the nail, after being covered for so long and protected by the Flex, it has had time to recover and build up in thickness a little, because there's no wear and tear on the soft nail surface. Now, EVO Flex cures for 60 seconds, and it can be used to apply silk sculptures. Then there is EVO Contour. What a fabulous product. EVO Contour is an unbreakably tough base and builder gel. And it's not sticky, but the slightly thicker consistency makes it so easy to build and shape and contour even the longest sculptures. And it is very, very strong. But in the formulation, there is a pliability and elasticity that will ensure an even spread, and that will prevent this tough product from breaking and cracking. Now, EVO Contour cures in 30 seconds. It can be used to apply foam sculptures as well as silk sculptures. So there you have 3 totally different products in one range. And if you look at the gel spectrum, you will see that while the EVO Oxygenating Base is sort of in the center of the spectrum, we have Flex on the one side, very flexible, and we have Contour on the total opposite side of the spectrum, which is a really nice and tough product. So what stands out in the EVO Oxygenating Base is the health, of course, and then the fact that we can apply glueless tips so successfully. For EVO Flex is the success that you have on really soft nails. A lot of our clients struggle with soft and thin nails, so a fabulous product for that kind of situation. And then, of course, EVO Contour, a really strong, tough product for most nail types. So there we have 3 different base gels for EVO, each with its own special characteristics. And this is what makes EVO such a balanced and complete system. Really a must-have for every nail technician that is serious about precision work. So if you have not called yet, get on those phones immediately and get hold of your distributor or sign up and make use of the limited 5mm trial size product that is available. So enjoy doing fabulous nails. Until next time, goodbye.